Hello everyone. Now we are going to start with new month, November 1st to 6th current affairs. Federal Bank, Banca Insurance, Aditya Birla Health Insurance, Federal Bank, Banca Insurance with Aditya Birla Health Insurance. Headquarter Kerala. Your perfect banking partner. The uh, tagline is Your perfect banking partner. Headquarter Kerala. Federal Bank Headquarter Kerala. Zubin Garg, Brand Ambassador of Bandhan Bank, Assam. Zubin Garg, Brand Ambassador of Bandhan Bank, Assam. Uh, United Kingdom launched first commercial coin Mahatma Gandhi Euro 5 coin. My life is my message. Chancellor to UK, Rishi Sunak. Ashgar Afghan retired from Afghanistan. Ministry of Science and Technology inaugurated 650 teraflops supercomputing facility at National Agriculture Food Biotechnology Institute at Mohali, Punjab. Mohali, Punjab. Ministry of Science and Technology inaugurated 650 teraflops supercomputing facility at NABI at Mohali, Punjab. Haryana launched Uttam Beej Portal. Transport in seed produce. Haryana launched Uttam Beej Portal. Transportation in seed production program. Transforming in seed production program. Performance of computers are measured in FLOPS. FLOPS, floating point operation per second. Performance of computers are measured in FLOPS. Param Siddhi, India's supercomputer, 63rd globally, rank 6.5 petaflops. Param Siddhi, India's supercomputer, 63rd globally, rank. SBI Easy Ride, a two-wheeler loan, rupees 2.5 lakh. SBI Easy Ride, a two-wheeler loan, rupees 2.5 lakh. Har Ghar Dastak door-to-door campaign. Bank of Baroda sign an MOU with NCDAX E-Markets Limited. NEML E-Markets Limited. Bank of Baroda sign an MOU with NCDAX. Har Ghar Dastak door-to-door campaign. Bank of Baroda NCDCX E-Markets Limited act as a clearing bank for its agro e-marketplace. Bank of Baroda NCDEX. International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against Journalists. 2nd November. International Day to End Impunity for Crime Against Journalists. 2nd November by United Nations. Elon Musk spent $6 billion solve world hunger if United Nations shows spending plan. UNICEF shows the spending plan. Better City, Better Life, theme of World Cities Day. Better City, Better Life, theme of World Cities Day, 31st October. World Cities Day, 31st October. Better City, Better Life. Nutmeg curse Amitabh Ghosh. Taijin Park, MD and CEO of Kia India location, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Taijin Park, MD and CEO of Kia India location, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. An economist of home and abroad, Dr. Shankar Acharya. Dr. Shankar Acharya. Flipkart sign an MOU with Ministry of Rural Development to empower local business and self-help groups through Deen Dayal Antyodaya NRLM scheme. QS 2022 World University Ranking listed by Querculi Simons, National University of Singapore, 118. IIT Bombay. QS World University Ranking, 118. IIT Bombay rank, and this Querculi rank first. National University of Singapore rank first. Zoran Zaev resign PM of North Macedonia. Zoran is the PM of North Macedonia resigned. National Ayurveda Day 2nd November. National Ayurveda Day 2nd November. Satyan Ganesh Karan and Harmit Desai won men's double title World Table Tennis Tournament 2021 held in Tunisia. World Table Tennis Championship held at Tunisia, and Satyan and Harmit means double. Axis Bank signed an MOU with Indian Navy to offer salary packages. Axis Bank Indian Navy. Power salute. ICICI Bank Indian Army Defence Salary Account. ICICI Bank Indian Army Defence Salary Account. ICICI Bank MOU Defence Salary Account. Odisha state government announced full exemption of vehicle tax and registration fees on electric vehicles. Odisha state government full exemption of vehicle tax and registration fees on electrical vehicles. Senior team for deaf from Jammu Kashmir secure first position in first World Deaf Judo Championship held at Paris, France. World Deaf Judo Championship held at Paris, France. And senior team of deaf from Jammu Kashmir secured the first position. Jammu Kashmir team won the first position in World Deaf Judo Championship, which is held at Paris, France. Booker Prize 2021, The Promise, Damon Galgoth. Damon The Promise, World Booker Prize. 13 BRICS heads of National Statistic Office BRICS JP Samantha. 13th BRICS heads of National Statistic Office of BRICS JP Samantha. Climate Action Portal launched by India 2026 COP. Climate Equity Monitor. Climate Action Portal. Climate Equity Monitor. Dairy Sahakar Ministry of Cooperation. 75th Foundation Day of Amul. Rupees 5,000 crore. Dairy Sahakar Ministry of Cooperation. 75th Foundation Day. Whistleblower portal by Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. PSU under Ministry of New and Renewable Energy Vigilance Awareness Week. And PSU under Ministry of New and Renewable Energy under Vigilance Awareness Week. 3rd November 2016 First International One Health Day observed. One Health Day. When was the first One Health Day observed? 3rd November 2016. ADB approve a USD 250 million loan India's National Industrial Corridor Development Program. ADB approve a USD of 250 million loan. India's National Industrial Corridor Development Program. HDFC Bank sign an MOU with Bombay Stock Exchange. Small enterprises encourages listing in IPO. HDFC Bank Bombay Stock Exchange. HDFC Bank Bombay Stock Exchange. 1st November World Vegan Day. Vegan for the less. Central government started to issue sovereign gold bonds with 1 gram as minimum investment limit. Central government started to issue sovereign gold bonds with 1 gram as a minimum investment limit. Clearing Corporation of India, post offices and scheduled commercial bank can sell the sovereign gold bond. Clearing Corporation and for post offices and scheduled commercial bank can sell this sovereign gold bond. First first 15-5B Project 15 Bravo class Vishakhapatnam guided missile destroyer developed by Mazagon Dock Shipyard Limited. First Project 15 Bravo class Vishakhapatnam guided missile destroyer developed by Mazagon Dock Shipyard Limited. ICICI Lombard General Insurance Vega Helmet to launch provide personal accident policy. ICICI Bank Vega Helmet. ICICI Bank Vega Helmets provide personal accident insurance. HDFC Life Insurance CCI approval 100% shareholding of Exide Life Insurance under Article 31 first of the Competition Law of 2002. HDFC Life Insurance CCI approval for 100% shareholder in Exide Life Insurance. Article 31(1) Competition Law 2002. Delhi Chandigarh Highway first EV electronic vehicle friendly highway. Delhi Chandigarh Highway. NCLAT Chairperson 4-year Ashok Bhushan. NCLT President Ramalingam Sudhakar. We have given here National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. National Company Law Tribunal. Here chairperson 4-year Ashok Bhushan. Ashok Bhushan. Here A is given. We have Ashok. Here NCLT President Ramalingam Sudhakar. Cabinet Secretary Chairman the 20-member Chairperson the 20-member empowered group of secretaries. EGOS PM Gati Shakti Program. Harbhajan Singh selected for MCC Award honorary life membership of the club along with Indian bowler Javagal Srinath. Harbhajan Singh MCC Award. Also along with the bowler Javagal Srinath. First Man Ocean Mission. Samudrayan launched by Ministry of Earth Sciences. First Man Ocean Mission Samudrayan launched by Ministry of Earth Sciences, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Karnataka state government launched Jan Sevika scheme. Doorstep delivery of government service citizen and doorstep service. Janaspandana raise complaint on government services. MP Mukhyamantri Avasya Bhudikar Yojana to distribute houses for the state homeless citizen. Mukhyamantri Avasya Bhudikar Yojana to launch to construct houses for the state's homeless citizen. Subhadra Sen Gupta, A Children History of India, Mystery of Houses of Pigeons, Mahal, Power and Pageantry in Mughal Harin, The Constitution of India for Children. These are the books written by Subhadra Sen Gupta. The Sage with Two Horns, Sudhamurti. United Nations Environment Program, The Adoption Gap Report. Amit Ranjan, John Loney Wanderer. John Loney Wanderer. Coca-Cola India, the BCCI President Sourav Ganguly, 3-year brand ambassador. Coca-Cola BCCI President Sourav Ganguly, 3-year brand ambassador. Coca-Cola headquarters Gurugram, Haryana. Niti Aayog is India's policy think tank. Children's book, The Story of the First Civilization, Subhadra Sen Gupta. Defense Acquisition Council headed by Rajnath Singh. Approved 7965 crore. 12 LUH from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. 5th November World Tsunami Day. 5th November World Tsunami Day. Ramnath Kovind, UP National Law University, Prayagraj. UP National Law University, Prayagraj. SEBI Technical Advisory Committee 7 member for technological changes. SEBI Technical Advisory Committee 7 member technological changes chairperson Deepak B. Pathak. CBSE has launched Veer Gupta project in schools to raise awareness on Gallantry Award. Alan Keith Davidson, Australia pass away. Alan Keith Davidson, 100 runs and 100 wickets in single test match. And 22nd Major Languages 8th Schedule. 22nd Major Languages 8th Schedule. The cinema of Satyajit Ray Bhaskar Chattopadhyay. Satyajit Ray Bhaskar Chattopadhyay. Vaccine means vaccine cow. Latin word world of the year. Oxford English Dictionary 2021 Vaxa. Oxford English Dictionary 2021 Vaxa. 1st November as Information Public Relation Day. 1st November Information Public Relation Day, Manipur. Rajaraman appointed by Ministry of Communication to head a technology innovation group on 6G connectivity. 1st November Information Public Relation Day, Manipur. Rajaraman appointed by Ministry of Communication to head a technology innovation group on 6G connectivity. Rajaram 6G connectivity. Ujjivan Financial Services Infrastructure. Ujjivan Financial Services Infrastructure here in Ujjivan Small Finance Bank to 100% for meeting SCBS in SEBI to meeting SEBI's public shareholding norms. Minimum initial construction SFB Army's 40%. Sixteen-year-old Army Hunter Ireland become youngest player to score ODI century. 16-year-old Amy Hunter Ireland. 16-year-old Amy Hunter Ireland became youngest player to score ODI century. Shahid Afridi before Amy Hunter, Shahid Afridi has recorded. IIT Kanpur Ganga Atlas River of the Past launch. IIT Kanpur Ganga Atlas River of the Past launch during 5th Ganga Utsav. Sarvanand Sonwal inaugurated 5 new vessels including 2 faculty electric ferries and 2 floating boats. Cochin Shipyard Limited. Sarvanand Sonwal inaugurated 5 vessels. Cochin Shipyard Limited. Rupees 50 per gram discount by Government of India to purchase sovereign gold bond through digital market. 4761 per gram of gold, nominal value of the gold 4761 per gram of gold. Ministry of minimum raw gold deposit limit 10 grams set by government in the revamped gold monetization scheme. Rupees 10 grams set by government. Limit 10 grams set by the government. No maximum limit, but minimum limit 10 gram set by the RGMS, revamped gold monetization scheme. Niti Aayog report health insurance for India. Niti Aayog report health insurance of India. Missing middle. YesBankBankBazaar.com. YesBankBankBazaar.com. Co-branded credit card name FinBooster. Measure the creditworthiness of the customer. YesBankBankBazaar.com. Karnataka has top state energy efficiency index. Top. Scoring 70 points out of 100. on the back of several initiatives to improve energy efficiencies. Rajasthan second base. First, Karnataka, Rajasthan second. Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation Limited sign an MOU with Society of Indian Defence Manufacturing, SIDM. Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation Limited sign an MOU with SIDM and CCII to support MSME defense and plus with competition industrial and CCI to support MSME defense and CCI to approve to support MSME defense. Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award. Ajit Khunte chess. Sujan Singh wrestling. Devender Singh hockey. Sujan Singh wrestling. Ajit Khunte chess. Lekha Kesi boxing. Imtaz Ali, brand ambassador of Russian Film Festival in India. Rajnath Singh address Indo-Pacific Region Dialogue. United Nations Conventions on the Law of Sea is UNCLOS 1982. Rajnath Singh address Indo-Pacific Region Dialogue. State of the Global Climate Report, World Meteorological Organization, 15-2021, warmest year on the record. State of the Global Climate Report. State Bank of India program manages $300 million. First loss risk sharing instrument launched by World Bank plus Niti Aayog to finance e-vehicles. State Bank of India program manager $300 million launched by World Bank plus Niti Aayog to finance e-vehicles. First loss risk sharing instrument. Digitalization drive and pandemic situations for the gig economy. SBI report. Informal sector shrunk from 52.4% to 15.20% when compared to 2021. Digitalization drive and pandemic situation. Of the gig economy. This is a report released by SBI, and it says that the informal sector shrunk has been reduced to 15.20% as compared to 2018. RBI extended valid Kapal Cooperative Bank by 6 months. Extended validity of Kapal Cooperative Bank 6 months. Headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra. National Commission for Women launched legal awareness program for women called Empowerment Through Legal Awareness, Varanasi, UP. National Commission for Women launched legal awareness program called Empowerment Through Legal Awareness, Varanasi. Two-day Desert Warrior Indian Navy plus Egypt. Chairperson of the Selection Committee of the National Sports Award, Mukundam Sharma, Chairperson of the Selection Committee of National Sport Award. Mukundam Sharma, National Sport Award Chairperson Mukundam Sharma. Government and World Bank $40 million Meghalaya Quality of Health Services. Government and World Bank $40 million gives Meghalaya for quality health services. Not just cricket, Pradeep Magazine. P. Union fifth Rajna Zora Chess Tournament. P. Union Zora Chess Tournament held in Serbia. Karnataka top in state energy efficiency index, 70 points. We have already seen this news. Karnataka top and Rajasthan is the second. UNEP beating the heat. Sustainable urban cooling. Average temperature rise of 4 degrees Celsius by 2100. UNEP beating the heat. Sustainable urban cooling. Average temperature rise by 4 degrees Celsius by 2100. Digit extended e-governance services to National Urban Digital Mission. Digit extended e-governance services to National Urban Digital Mission. Anita Anand, Canadian 43rd Defense Minister of Canada. 43rd Defense Minister of Canada, Anita Anand. Ministry of Rural Development launched an initiative on rural self-help groups women to earn rupees 1 lakh per annum. Target support 25 million rural women in 2 years. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy, Punjab University. Punjab University, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University. National Dairy Development Board signed an MOU with UP government. National Dairy Development Board, UP government, to manage Varanasi Milk Union for a period of 5 years. To manage Varanasi Milk Union for 5 years. Indian Air Force plus DRDO. Indian Air Force plus DRDO, 2 small anti-airfield weapons SAAW at Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. 14th Urban Mobility India. 14th Urban Mobility India Conference, Mobility for All. This is the 14th Urban Mobility India, Mobility for All. National Ayurveda Day 2nd November. National Ayurveda Day 2nd November. India chaired 13th meeting of heads of National Statistical Office. National Statistical Office NSO of BRICS of India. GP Somnath chaired. 13th meeting heads of NSO. Open floating theatre Jammu Kashmir at Dal Lake. Open air floating theatre at Jammu Kashmir and Dal Lake. Adalgive Hurun Azim Premji. 13-year-old Tajmal Islam gold medal World Kickboxing Championship Egypt Cairo. 13-year-old Tajmal Islam gold medal World Kickboxing Championship held at Egypt Cairo. All India Federation AIFF approved Kerala Senior Women's National Championship November 25 to December 9. AIFF approved Kerala Senior Women National Championship. Football Federation. Better Fran Wilson, England retired. Frank Wilson, England retired. 7-member IT Project Advisory Committee of SEBI. 7-member IT Project Advisory Committee of SEBI. Abhay Karandikar, IT Project Advisory Committee of SEBI. Himani Parab, Malakkam player Arjuna Award. Himani Malakkam player. Ministry of Sports. ADB give $61 million urban development Agartala Tripura. ADB Tripura $61 million. Bathukamma Flower Festival Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Bathukamma Flower Festival Telangana Andhra Pradesh. India's largest landfill gas to compared biogas plant. India's largest landfill gas to encompass biogas plant launched by Ramke Environment Engineering Limited, Hyderabad, Telangana. India's largest landfill gas, Hyderabad, Telangana, REEL. SSCPL, Starlink Satellite Communication Private Limited. Starlink Satellite Communication Private Limited, Starlink SpaceX. Electronic Virtual Assistant is India's first largest AI-powered chatbot. Electronic Virtual Assistant, launched by HDFC. India's first AI-powered chatbot. India to formalize 7 additional entry-exit trade points Bhutan. India to formalize LOE 7 additional entry-exit trade points Bhutan. World's first Earth science satellite launched by China, Gungama 1, USD GSAT 1 UN 2030. World's first Earth satellite. World first Earth satellite launched by China. Thank you so much for watching the video. We will going to meet in next video.